Good morning, student. Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmi Green School, Dhareshwar Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma and it's class 9th maths and our chapter is lines and angle. Student, you know it's revision time and we revise the chapter lines and angle because this chapter is coming on your exam. Okay, so that's why we revise this chapter step by step. Okay, so I hope you will revise with me step by and do all the questions again, okay, in your notebook, so your revision become completed. Okay, understand? Now we learn in this chapter when what is transversal. Okay, a straight line which cut two or more straight line at distinct point is called a transversal line. Okay, now if the transversal cut down the parallel lines, then so many angles we found, means total 8 angles. Okay, and when we find total 8 angles, then what is connection of these 8 angles? Okay, connection between these 8 angles are, so let's see what are connection. Okay, so and what is parallel line? If two line lies in the same plane and do not intersect when produced on either side, then such lines are said to be parallel to each other. Okay, that lines are called parallel to each other. Okay, now see this figure. In the figure given, see the figure. Okay, line L is a transversal, okay, of line M and N respectively. Okay, understand? If line L intersect M and N at point P and Q, see here 2 points are here, P and Q, okay, respectively, then 4 angles are formed at each of the point P and Q, namely P के points कौन कौन से हो गए 1 2 3 4 and Q के points हो गए 5 6 7 8. Okay, understand? So angle 1 2 7 and 8, see here 1 2 7 and 8 are called exterior angle. Okay, because it is, आपको दिख रहा है, अगर मैं इस फिगर की बात करती हूँ, दो लाइंस के बीच में जो जगह है ये मेरा इंटीरियर रीजन है. ओके, सो एंगल 4 3 5 6 आर इंटीरियर एंगल्स and 1 2 8 7 are exterior angles. Okay, understand? What do you mean by corresponding angles? Listen carefully. What do you mean by corresponding angle? The angle on the same side of a transversal are known as the corresponding angle. Okay, same side of a transversal are known as corresponding angle if both lies either above the two lines or below the two lines. Okay, in the above figure 1 and 5, 2 and 6, 4 and 8, okay, and 3 and 7 are corresponding angles. See, आपने अगर लाइंस के ऊपर देख रहे हो तो दोनों ही लाइंस के ऊपर है एंगल 1 and 5. 1 जो है वो M लाइन के ऊपर की साइड है और 5 जो है वो N लाइन के ऊपर है. ओके, 4 जो है वो M लाइन के नीचे है, 8 भी क्या है N लाइन के नीचे. सो corresponding angles are angle when the angle on the same side of a transversal are known as corresponding angle if both lies either above the two lines or below the two lines. Okay, in the above figure हमने देखा, इस फिगर में हमारे पास में कौन कौन से 1 5 4 8 2 6 and 3 7 are corresponding angles. Okay, understand? Now what do you mean by alternate angle? When two lines are crossed by another line, the pair of angle on opposite side of the transversal is called alternate angles. Okay, see here एंगल 4 एंड एंगल 6, ये इस साइड है, दूसरा इस साइड है. एंगल 5 एंड एंगल 3 आर कॉल्ड अल्टरनेट एंगल्स. ओके, एंड सेम हियर एंगल 1 एंड एंगल 7, एंगल 2 एंड एंगल 8 आर कॉल्ड एक्सटीरियर अल्टरनेट एंगल्स. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? मीन्स exterior alternate angles and interior and alternate angles. There are two type of angle. Okay, understand? Exterior alternate angle means जो दो लाइंस के बाहर की साइड है. एक्सटीरियर मीन्स फिगर के आपको एक्सटीरियर में दिख रहे हैं. इंटीरियर अल्टरनेट एंगल दैट इज interior in the figure. Okay, understand? So the following pair of angles are called interior alternate angles, means 4 and 6, 3 and 5. Okay, and exterior alternate angle are 1 and 7, 2 and 8. Okay, understand? So these are a main angle, and now we can learn about interior angle on the same side of a transversal. Okay, the pair of interior angle on the same side of a transversal are called consecutive interior angle or allied angle or co-interior angles. Okay, consecutive angles or allied angle or co-interior angle in the given figure 4 and 5, 3 and 6 are allied angle, or you can say that it's co-interior angle, or you can say that it's consecutive interior angle. Okay, understand? So student, we learn so many type of angle with this transversal. जो ये transversal से मैड हो रहे हैं, जो ये transversal से बन रहे हैं, उन angles के बारे में हमने पढ़ा. There are some corresponding angles, some interior angles, some exterior angles, some interior alternate angle, some exterior alternate angle, and some allied angle, or we can say that consecutive interior angles. Okay, now what is relationship between these angles? Okay, so it's very important what is relationship between these angles. So when line M is parallel to line N and a transversal L intersect them, then the relation between angle thus formed are obtained as axioms and theorem which are given. Okay, so what is first theorem? What is first axioms with this transversal? So first axiom said that if a transversal intersect two parallel line, then each pair of corresponding angle are equal. Okay, each pair of corresponding angle is equal. This axioms is known as corresponding angle axiom. Okay, जब कोई ट्रांसवर्सल पैरेलल लाइन को कट डाउन करता है, इंटरसेक्ट करता है, देन जो करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स होते हैं वो इक्वल होते हैं. इफ़ अ ट्रांसवर्सल इंटरसेक्ट टू पैरेलल लाइन, देन ईच पेयर ऑफ करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स इज इक्वल इन मेजर, एंड दिस एक्सियोम इज नोन एज करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल एक्सियोम. ओके, हियर इफ वी टॉक अबाउट दिस फिगर, देन what are corresponding angle here? 1 and 5, 4 and 8, 2 and 6, 3 and 7. So in this figure, angle 1 is equal to angle 5, angle 4 is equal to angle 8, angle 2 is equal to angle 6, angle 3 is equal to angle 7, because they are corresponding angle. और ये कब होगा? When two lines are parallel. Okay, understand? When two lines are parallel, then corresponding angles are equal. Okay, understand? So this is our first axiom. Now what is our second axiom about it? If a transversal intersect two lines such that a pair of alternate interior angle is equal. See, फर्स्ट उसमें बोला उसने लाइन पैरेलल है तो करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल इक्वल है, बट इफ पेयर ऑफ अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स इज इक्वल देन द लाइन्स आर पैरेलल. ओके, पेयर ऑफ अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स इज इक्वल देन द लाइन्स आर पैरेलल. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? दिस इज कन्वर्स ऑफ करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल, कन्वर्स एंड converse of this axiom is also true. Okay, what is converse of this axiom? Means अगर lines parallel हैं तो interior alternate angles भी equal होंगे. Okay, so what do you mean by theorem 6.3 in your book? If a transversal intersect two parallel line, then each pair of alternate interior angle is equal in measure. Okay, understand? And what about your second theorem? If a transversal intersect two parallel line, then each pair of interior angle on the same side of a transversal is supplementary. means allied angle are supplementary, means consecutive interior angles are supplementary, or you can say that co-interior angles are supplementary. Understand? Means when we talk about this figure, then angle 4 plus angle 5 is 180, angle 3 plus angle 8 is 180. Okay, understand? Means दोनों इंटीरियर अलाइड एंगल्स का एडिशन क्या होगा, 180 होगा. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो दिस इज योर थ्योरम नंबर which theorem we learn here? Yes, theorem number 6.4. okay, now 6.5 is tell us if a transversal intersect two lines such that a pair of interior angle on the same side of a transversal is supplementary, then the two lines are parallel. Okay, understand? So if a transversal intersect two lines such that a pair of interior angle on the same side of a transversal is supplementary, then we can say that these two lines are parallel to each other. Okay, understand? So we can learn this theorem, and according to these theorems we learn the questions. Okay, now lines parallel to the same line. See here, if we see that, just a minute, lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. If L and M are L is parallel to M and M is parallel to N, so we can say that L is parallel to N also. Okay, understand? See, if three lines हमें given है, अगर हमें दिया हुआ है L is parallel to M and M is parallel to N, then इससे क्या हो जाएगा, L is parallel to N. Okay, so line which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other, or we can say that L is parallel to M and N is parallel to M, so we can say that L is parallel to N. Okay, understand? Now again our next theorem say that line which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. Okay, these two theorems for lines parallel to the same line. Okay, means converse of this theorem is also true. Understand? Now let's see which type of question are coming. Example number 6, I think we will complete it in our previous videos. Okay, now exercise 6.2. see here, in figure 6.28, find the value of x and y, then show that AB parallel to CD. If in this question, if you prove